Welcome to UVL. Introducing our Bactericidal ultraviolet lamp. It is an ozone-free, low-pressure mercury ultraviolet lamp. This lamp is suitable for use in VanErp's UV C Timer 75,000 water disinfection units. All lamp specifications are shown on the screen. The lamp is designed to operate in an aqueous environment in a protective quartz cover at temperatures from +5 to +40 degrees Celsius. We always stock all kinds of components: quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets, and connectors. The lamps are warranted for 9,000 hours, which is approximately 1 year of continuous operation. All of our lamps are packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft seal inside for security. In case of damage during transportation or premature failure, we guarantee replacement of the lamp and delivery to your address at our own expense.